Ellie and Joey finally decide they're going to get some exercise. So they're going to lift some weights today.
I'm gonna do a workout today. Careful, buddy. Don't want you to have a heart attack laying down, man. Careful. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, you good?
I'm good.
Alright, let's go. No! No, Joey! Mom! I need some waffles! Okay, thanks, Mom! No, Joey! No! Eat out, dude! Yes! No, my drink! Okay. It's all good now.